case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
Debra J. Holden found herself in a legal battling against American multinational Wal-Mart Stores, Inc. back in 2000, a court case that now serves as a significant instance in the Nebraska Supreme Court annals. This case primarily hinged upon the principle that evidence of preceding incidents can only be deemed admissible when they display substantial similarities to the incident in question. Holden had fallen in a handicapped parking space attributable to a surface hole in a Wal-Mart parking lot. A holder of a handicapped parking permit, Holden, already dealing with a knee ailment, faced further exacerbated difficulties in walking post this mishap. The incident led to Holden filing a lawsuit against Wal-Mart, stating that the company exhibited negligence, resulting in her sustaining injuries which required knee replacement surgery. The total medical costs for the surgery ascended to a steep $25,000. At the trial, Holden endeavored to introduce reports of analogous incidences at different Wal-Mart stores. However, the court dismissed this as evidence, citing the potential prejudicial implications. Ultimately, the court ruled that a 60% negligence liability lay with Wal-Mart and 40% with Holden, awarding $3,600 in damages to the latter. Displeased with both the evidentiary suppression and the awarded sum, Holden decided to proceed with an appeal. She cited the court's alleged evidentiary error and voiced her argument that the granted damages were inadequate. However, in its decision, the appellate court concluded that the lower court had committed no error, either in excluding the cited incidents or in the damages awarded. It reiterated that without substantial similarities between the incidents, the evidence about previous falls was irrelevant and inadmissible. Consequently, the court affirmed the initial verdict and sustained the awarded damages of $3,600, essentially closing the door on Holden's hopes for a retrial or increased compensation.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.